my stars when I'm alone. Swear this heart was too fast, no, I can't get it out my mind. Tryna see if I should stay because I'm shouldn't waste my time. Yeah, run up if you want, little bitch, I might just up my phone.
What's good, Exotic Family? It's your boy Exotic Sean. We're back another banger. So we are on the way to a meet. We are at the gas station. We have them bikes, as y'all can see, pulling in. Derek in front of us, new member to EFL. Congratulations to him. Exotic AJ. Let me close the door so y'all can see. Oh, y'all still can't see. But Exotic Boy Blue behind me. We got Loud Crew D-Lo over there, Anthony, and Steven. So yeah, we're about to head to this meet. It's supposed to be pretty deep. I'm not gonna lie. It's supposed to be like a very great meet. And also, I have my own car, so I'm driving also. So y'all gonna have to bear with me. I'm kinda new to this driving and recording thing. So I'm finna try it. And also stay tuned, I have a POV video that will be released after this video. So just stay tuned so y'all can see that. So those bikes are leaving out now. They sound good, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if y'all can tell, but y'all see we're under the bridge trying to get to the meet. You gotta pick, this meet gotta be done. It gotta be done. And I ain't gonna lie, we're like 500 feet from it, and on the maps, on Apple Maps, it literally says it's 7 minutes of traffic. For 500 feet, 7 minutes of traffic. This can't be serious. Then we got cars doing a little tunnel action. AJ, Exotic AJ right there chopping. Oh my gosh, and we're still here. Okay, Exotic Family, we have officially made it to the meet. It is dark. And oh, I forgot to show y'all, I did not record a video on me putting these on, but I put them on already. First week of having the car, I already put that on. So, yeah. I say, damn. Don't forget this, when I pulled in here, this motherfucker said, no, I'm on 93.
I'm on 93 today.
I'm on 93. I'm on 93 too.
You on 93 too, that's fine. We on both 93, we can do it.
I'm on 93.
But you saw what happened on E85.
With a fucked up muffler. Everybody seen my muffler was split in half.
Damn,
The other night.
we did on the track too. We did on the other track too. We did on the track and we did on the road.
2 nights compared to what?
What you mean? Those are the only nights.
No, accurate.
Alright. Definitely want you. You getting that on 85 too. You getting that one. You getting the anti-lag, you getting the whole shebang. Second gear all the way to foot in your ass. Hey, Drake.
This is wild. With the silvers. Oh my god. He got the stuffed animals in there.
Hey, make sure y'all pop.
In the back. Look at that wing. That wing's so sexy.
Oh God.
It just make me wanna.
Hey, where your towel at?
It just made me wanna go right here and lick it. This color on this Mach 1 is nice. I ain't gonna lie. Then he got 360 cam, racing tires. Then he got drags. Like, gosh. See, Mickey's. You know what that means. When it get Mickey, it gets sticky. Why you said meow, meow, meow.
He's like, let me make you look terrible right now.
I give him the angle. He gives me the song of meow meow, y'all. That's crazy. From now on, bro, you gotta get Mac Daddy like this, bro. That's the only way you gotta get him like this, bro. And then you gotta shrink down and be like this, bro. I'm be like this, dude. Right, bro, what's wrong with you?
What's wrong? I want to ruin his life.
There you go. There you go.
Oh my god.
Alright, so this is his bike. This is nice. I ain't gonna lie. And I know it's live. Look at all the carbon fiber.
Meeting you?
Like, look
When
at
I
all
met
the
you in
carbon
person,
fiber.
now I see you. Now I
Yeah.
Bro, these are all out limiters, bro. They just call it perfect time. And
Why is he running with
I didn't do that.
Run, nigga, run!
Hey, I got a good shot. Good shot. Okay. More bikes. More bikes. We got a Huracan Performante back here. This is fire. Gosh. Oh yeah, that's Nash Cars. I don't know why I didn't think of that like a while ago, but yeah, I know. Yeah, I know now. We got the bikes. These hard. Alright, so y'all see 360 cam and y'all see an M4. It's M4 Ollie. It's hard. This purple is just popping. My God. That's nice though. Look at this Huracan. Oh my gosh, them rims are hard. Then it's wrapped. Like, so, this wrap is so like nice. It plays tricks on your mind. Bike's leaving. Got two cameras. Did you? Am I tripping? I thought I might be tripping. Got the Camry. Sag Controls. Yeah, I know that's hard. Then we got this matte purple. This thing right here. Right hand drop. That big old hood. Y'all see that? Louis Vuitton door. Crazy. Okay. He said pull the napkins out the trunk. Louis Vuitton, nigga. Louis Vuitton. That's on the door. See it? Stupid drunk. I get a sticker?
Well, yeah, hell yeah, go for it, yeah. How's it going, man?
What's up? What's up?
Oh, man.
Grab a sticker. Grab a sticker. We're wicked around here, baby.
What's going on, man? How you
What's
doing?
up?
Hey, give me the sir. Bless us all.
Yeah.
Hey, you see, you got all the boys out, bro?
Yeah. This wait. Oh God. Why he wanna be like me so bad? Why he wanna be like me so bad? Nah, but you know I've been doing this. He's irrelevant. I'm exotic. Z06 is so far on me. Hey.
Bro, Z06, wipe your mouth, AJ. Here, come here, AJ. Come here. No, I want this.
He said he need that tap. Oh my. Unfortunately, I think I'm gonna have to cut this video short because the camera is dying. And if there is anything else I can get in here, then I will attempt that. Other than that, it will be really posted on Instagram. So go follow my Instagram, Exotic Shop. God. Yeah. Oh my God. But yeah, I will see y'all. Oh wait, no. I appreciate y'all for tuning into this video. I hope y'all like what I was able to give y'all so far. Continue to stay tuned in. Peace. Love y'all. Oh my God, why is it so big?
Alright, so cut it.
Boy, if you don't. My head, she in love with fashion, I could never tell. My Glock came with 10 attachments, I could never sell it. Buy my side just like my blick, so I could never fail it. Stacking racks on racks on racks, I can tell who be there for me, I know who gon' stand my play.